अस्सलामुअलैकुम। तो ये है हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी, बहरिया यूनिवर्सिटी, एंड दिस इज आवर ओल्ड डिपार्टमेंट।
The most great one, if being honest. Sir, our department has now shifted from the old place to the new depressed block, also known as engineering block.
तो आगे चलते हुए अगर अपनी कहानी स्टार्ट करूं तो यूनिवर्सिटी लाइफ इज नॉट व्हाट यू ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्ट। वेल, I didn't have any expectations, so it's all going great. But दानियल भाईजान मेरे इधर काफी expectations के साथ आए थे।
Well, everyone should have expectations. It wouldn't be enjoyable to live a life without expectations.
True, I kinda do agree. But expectations also lead to disappointment sometimes. खैर, इस बात को पीछे छोड़ते हैं by respecting each other's perspective.
I mean, that's why we are here in this world. To adopt, acknowledge, respect, and understand.
Well, expectations. We build castles in the air, expecting the world to bend to our will, only to find out that it's made of shifting sands. We put our faith in people, institutions, and ideologies only to watch them crumble like the ancient ruins.
खैर यार इतना भी इमोशनल नहीं होना था. तो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड तो ये है हमारा कैफेटेरिया, द कपल्स ट्यून्स, where all the kinds of people exist.
And this is a place where you'll find lonely guys sitting alone while some others having their weddings planned.
Sir, this is the place where you will also find guys like us, which you would generally call the boys. जा भाई समोसे लेकर आ. And now let's take a walk to the library. It's not just a place for books, it's a haven for those seeking solitude and a quiet corner.
यहाँ पर आपको वो लोग भी मिलेंगे जो कि लास्ट मिनट असाइनमेंट्स कंप्लीट करने आते हैं, और कुछ ऐसे लोग भी मिलेंगे जो कि सिर्फ एसी की तलाश में लाइब्रेरी पहुंच जाते हैं।
But beyond the academics and the hustle, there's the heart of the university. It's people. हर किसी की अपनी स्टोरी है, अपनी struggles हैं और अपनी triumphs. We all might come from different backgrounds, have different dreams, but at the end we all share the same journey.
Now let's head over to our block, the engineering block. To be honest, it feels more like a hospital than a place of learning. हमारी classes के तो AC ही नहीं मिलते, and it's a struggle to stay focused in this sweltering heat. Plus the lift, always packed with the students trying to avoid the stairs. कभी-कभी तो ऐसा लगता है कि सभी की क्लास जो है 9th फ्लोर पे लगी हुई है.
The engineering block, despite its cons, is where we spend most of our time. Their friendships are forged over group projects and assignments. मतलब हर कोने में कुछ ना कुछ interesting हो रहा होता है, whether it's students frantically preparing for their presentations or just chilling between their classes. Then there's a social aspect. The friendships and bonds we created often last a lifetime. Whether it's hanging out at the cafeteria, planning a spontaneous trip, or just walking around the campus in general. I mean, these are the moments that we will cherish the most. हमारी दोस्ती यही हमारी मस्तियाँ हैं जो कि हमेशा हमारी यादें बन के रह जाती हैं.
तो भाई, दिस इज आवर बहरिया यूनिवर्सिटी, नॉट जस्ट अ प्लेस ऑफ लर्निंग बट अ प्लेस वेयर वी ग्रो, अंडरस्टैंड एंड ट्रूली फाइंड आवरसेल्व्स। तो चाहे तुम्हारे एक्सपेक्टेशंस हो या ना हो, लाइफ विल ऑलवेज फाइंड अ वे टू सरप्राइज यू, एंड दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट। So, as we move forward, let's carry these experiences with us. Because these are the moments that define us. ये यूनिवर्सिटी के लम्हे, यही दोस्तियां, यही मुस्कुराहटें, ये सब याद बनकर हमेशा हमारी याद में रहेंगे। तो फिर मिलते हैं किसी और दिन, इन्हीं बातों से, इन्हीं खताओं से और इन्हीं यादों से। अल्लाह हाफिज।